On the Asian side of Istanbul, Kadıköy stands as one of the city's most vibrant and characterful districts, where history, culture and everyday life blend in a way that feels both energetic and deeply authentic. Unlike the historic peninsula across the Bosphorus, Kadıköy is not defined by imperial landmarks, but by its long-standing role as a centre of trade, culture and local life. Today it is widely regarded as the colourful heart on the Asian side, known for its lively streets, independent spirit and strong sense of identity. Kadıköy is also notable for its cultural scene. The district has long been associated with artists, writers and students, and this is reflected in its abundance of independent bookshops, music venues and theatres. Historic venues such as the Surya Opera House add a touch of elegance, hosting opera, ballet and classical performances in a beautifully restored early 20th century building. Street art, small galleries and live music spaces are scattered throughout the area, giving Kadıköy a creative energy that sets it apart from more traditional parts of the city. One of the most defining features of Kadıköy is its market area, centred around Kadıköy Çarşı. This is not a market in the traditional sense of a single building, but rather a sense of a cluster of streets, where fishmongers, greengrocers, delicatessens and bakeries spill out onto the pavements. The fish market is particularly well known, offering a vivid snapshot of local life, with fresh seafood displayed alongside pickles, olives and spices. Surrounding streets are filled with small eateries, many of them long established, where you can sample everything from traditional Turkish home cooking to more modern interpretations. For a more contemporary contrast, Tepe Nautilus represents the modern commercial side of the district. As one of the area's largest shopping centres, it offers a mix of international brands, dining options and entertainment, providing a convenient alternative to the smaller, traditional shops found throughout the neighbourhood. A different kind of cultural experience can be found at Müze Gazhane, a former gasworks that has been carefully restored and transformed into a modern cultural centre. The complex now houses museums, exhibition spaces, libraries and performance areas. Kadıköy streets are also known for their social atmosphere. Areas around Bahariye Street from the commercial and cultural spine of the district, where a nostalgic tram still runs through pedestrianised streets lined with shops, cafés and cinemas. Nearby, small passageways and side streets reveal hidden courtyards, artisan shops and long-standing cafés that have been part of the neighbourhood for decades. Another distinctive landmark within Kadıköy is Haydarpaşa railway station, located at the edge of the city's waterfront. Built in the early 20th century as the terminus of the railway linking Istanbul to Anatolia and beyond, the building remains one of the most recognisable structures on the Asian side. Although no longer functioning as a major station, it continues to symbolise Kadiköy's historical importance as a gateway between continents. Kadiköy's history stretches back to ancient times when it was known as Chalcedon, a Greek settlement founded centuries before Byzantium on the opposite shore. Though often overshadowed by its more famous neighbour, Chalcedon was an important trading colony benefiting from its position along key maritime routes in the Sea of Marmara. Over the centuries, it passed through Rome and Byzantine control before becoming part of the Ottoman Empire, gradually evolving into a residential and commercial district. In the late Ottoman period, Kadıköy became a popular place for affluent residents, diplomats and minority communities, many of whom left their mark in the form of elegant houses, churches and schools that still contribute to the district's layered character. Marmara. What makes Kadıköy especially appealing is not any single attraction, but the overall experience of the district. It is a place to wander rather than to tick off landmarks, to explore street by street, and to engage with the rhythms of local life, whether sitting in a cafe, discovering street art, visiting a museum, or walking along the waterfront. Kadıköy offers a rich and varied slice of Istanbul that feels both contemporary and deeply connected to its past.